Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still talking about Child Protective Services. So Tim, tell us, why is it important for a person not to be indicated at the end of an investigation by Child Protective Services?
Okay, so let me answer that in a reverse way. So an indication means, as I said in other videos, that there was enough information to substantiate the allegations, meaning that whatever the person claimed in the report, that you weren't watching the kid or you had excessive corporal punishment, there was enough there to prove it. And that says, yep, you did it. Okay. So that indication, there are two pieces to it. It stays in the system for 10 years after the youngest child in the home turns 18. And for that, that means that they can use that for neglect proceedings down the road. The other piece of it is every indication carries weight with it. When you go to apply for a job, certain jobs will check the state central registry, and an indication may prohibit you from working in certain fields like nursing homes, being a teacher, daycares. So that indication carries a lot of weight with it in the state of New York.
Really, really good to know. Thanks, Tim. Again, don't forget to tune in and like our page, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.